This recipe will surprise everyone. To begin, we'll need some slices of bread. Let's cut off the crust. Then we'll spread Nutella on them. Oh my god, guys, I love anything made with Nutella. What about you? Now let's close with another slice of bread and cut it in half. In a bowl, we'll put 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, and we'll whisk. Take this moment to leave in the comments where are you watching us from. We would love to know how far our video got. Now we'll cover the sandwiches with this mixture. In a pan, let's melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's fry the Nutella sandwiches. After a while, we'll turn them over. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. And at the end of the video, give me a grade from 1 to 10 for this recipe. I cannot wait to see the result of this recipe. To finish, we'll mix sugar with cinnamon powder, and we'll cover all the sandwiches with it. And our incredibly delicious recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!